Oh look, there's James Hardy. See, that's awesome. Here we are, beautiful Jersey Shore. Ooh, detour. Look at this. This is awesome. All right, and we're back. We're running off the beach, running to the house where we're getting the windows installed. Let's go check it out. We've got the beautiful Andersen windows. These are the narrow line conversion kits. So you take an old Andersen window and you use this kit to convert it to an Andersen 400. And it's a lot easier to install, a lot more cost effective. So if you do have these windows installed in your home, it's a good option for you to get. Right here, we've got our caulking. It's gonna go right around the window to make sure that it's sealed up nice and tight. Any of the debris or any dirt or any wind-driven rain, it's gonna make sure that it keeps it out and keeps it tight. Especially being over here, right by the water, you're getting a lot of wind. You can get some bugs, you can get some critters that might try to crawl into your house. But that bead of caulk is gonna make sure that it's nice and sealed. So we do that on all the windows. Check this out. Ooh. It's one of my favorite sounds. Little ASMR right there. That's nice. All right, so we've got our windows. They're all set to go. These ones are all installed. Now we're gonna go check out the inside of the project. Make sure we've got our protection down. We wanna protect the homeowners inside as much as possible. But it's nice because these windows right here, they're all set to go. I mean, we showed up, what, an hour and a half ago? Already installed. 3 windows, boom. So like I said, these are the conversion kits. Just like that, you go through, you can open them up, and those are a lot easier than the windows that the homeowner had before. See, nice and tight. Keep that air out, boom, ready to go. When my brother Eddie was here before, he was checking out these windows and there were just a lot of signs that showed that they needed to be replaced. A big one is when you can't even open it up, you open it up, it just drops. Clearly that is a window that is not functioning properly, and you want to look at replacing it because that's losing energy efficiency day by day. You're having air that's leaking out, the window's not even going to stay open, you can't even use it. So it's like, what does that do? So these are awesome windows. Check by the kitchen, see right here, we're taking out the old window, the rails for the old window. He's removing them carefully, and then we're gonna pop out that sash that's gonna come with it, and then we can actually go install our new rails, install the new sashes, and boom, just like that, you got a new Andersen 400 window. So now I'm gonna show you one that hasn't even been touched yet. It's going to be, but we've got this one right over here. We've got the alarm that got removed from here so we can reuse it, but this is one of the old windows, and you'll see, it's got that string that Eddie was talking about, but it doesn't stay, it moves pretty easily. You can feel the difference of the windows when you walk in this room versus the other one. You can just feel that the air is not coming through, it's not leaking through. Your energy bills will be a lot better. It's awesome. This home is actually part of a multifamily unit. There are some things that you can change when you do have a unit and you have an HOA. And with this home specifically, he was able to change the windows. So we're happy to work with any HOA. We can do the full building, we can do the full project, but whatever your needs are, we can come in, we can take care of it, and make sure that your job is done as expected. So this job is looking good. Everything's going in just as expected. I've got a couple more miles to do, so come follow along. Make sure to subscribe though, and keep along with the journey. We're gonna ride the rides, maybe shoot some basketballs, see if I can win my goddaughter a stuffed animal.